When people think of Somalia's international partners, the usual suspects are the US, UK, Ethiopia, or Kenya. But over the past decade, Turkey has quietly become Somalia's most vital ally. Turkey's presence is everywhere in Mogadishu, from the modern airport terminal managed by a Turkish company to Turkish-built roads, hospitals, and military training. Unlike the distant approach of other nations, Turkey's model is direct engagement. Turkish people, companies, and expertise are on the ground working side by side with Somalis. Historically, Turkey had little involvement in the Horn of Africa, but this lack of colonial baggage became a strength. Turkey arrived as a new friend, offering partnership based on brotherhood and mutual respect, not just strategic interests. The scale and speed of Turkey's engagement have been remarkable. While others rely on layers of NGOs and bureaucracy, Turkey acts directly, making it more agile and responsive. Establishing one of the world's largest embassies in Mogadishu signaled a long-term commitment. This sent a clear message. Turkey is here to stay and believes in Somalia's future. Billions in aid, investment, and trade have followed, reshaping Somalia's fortunes. Turkey's approach has set a new precedent for international cooperation in Africa. The real turning point came in 2011, when Somalia was gripped by a devastating famine, and the world was slow to respond. Amid the crisis, then Prime Minister Erdogan made a historic visit to Mogadishu, walking through camps and pledging immediate support. This act broke international paralysis and shone a spotlight on Somalia's suffering. Erdogan's visit signaled to Somalis that they were not forgotten. Turkey launched a massive humanitarian campaign. Feeding centers, plane loads of supplies, and direct aid arrived quickly. Turkish doctors, engineers, and aid workers came to Mogadishu and stayed working on the front lines. This hands-on approach built deep trust and goodwill. The intervention was rooted in Kardeşlik, brotherhood, based on shared faith in humanity. Turkey's compassion became the foundation for a broader economic and strategic partnership. It proved that direct, visible solidarity could transform foreign policy. After its humanitarian push, Turkey shifted to long-term development, focusing on infrastructure. Turkish companies, often with Somali partners, rebuilt Mogadishu's airport, roads, and hospitals. The airport, once derelict, is now a modern gateway managed by Favri LLC, crucial for trade and business. Turkish firms paved major roads, installed solar streetlights, and renovated public buildings. The Erdogan Hospital stands as a state-of-the-art facility, training local medical staff. These projects create jobs, restore services, and offer hope for a better future. Turkey's practical, high-impact approach has made it a reliable partner in Somalia's reconstruction. The Turkey-Somalia relationship has evolved into a vibrant economic partnership. Trade has soared since 2011, integrating Somalia into the global economy and opening new markets for Turkish businesses. Turkish goods, from food to construction materials, fill Mogadishu's markets, stabilizing prices and supply chains. Somalia's exports to Turkey, especially sesame seeds, provide vital income for farmers. Turkish Airlines' direct flights have opened up business and trade, making transport faster and more reliable. Efficient shipping and air links have created a seamless economic corridor. This partnership is as much about commerce as it is about compassion. The port of Mogadishu is Somalia's main commercial artery, once plagued by mismanagement and corruption. In 2014, Turkish company Al Bayrak Group took over, launching a comprehensive overhaul. New cranes, modern equipment, and advanced logistics software transformed the port's operations. Turnaround times for ships dropped from weeks to hours, boosting trade and lowering costs. The port now handles container ships, integrating Somalia into global supply chains. Hundreds of jobs have been created and government revenue has surged. Transparent systems ensure port fees reach the state treasury, funding salaries and public services. The port's rebirth is a model of public-private partnership and Turkish expertise. It's a cornerstone of Somalia's economic revival. Turkey's support extends deep into security, helping rebuild the Somali National Army. Camp TURKSOM, Turkey's largest overseas military facility, trains Somali soldiers, not Turkish combat troops. Turkish officers provide comprehensive training, building a new generation of disciplined, loyal soldiers. The Gorgor Brigade, trained and equipped by Turkey, is among Somalia's most effective units. This direct, consistent support contrasts with fragmented international missions. Turkey's model strengthens Somalia's ability to take over its own security from international forces. By investing in security, Turkey is helping to build a stable Somali state. It's a long-term commitment to regional stability and mutual interests. A unique aspect of the partnership is Turkey's investment in Somali education. Thousands of Somali students receive scholarships to study in Turkey, building a skilled workforce for Somalia's future. Graduates return as doctors, engineers, and officials, bringing expertise and a new perspective. Turkish-educated Somalis act as bridges between the two countries, facilitating business and diplomacy. This educational exchange fosters deep personal connections and immense goodwill. Education is a lasting investment. Graduates become informal ambassadors for Turkey. The program strengthens cultural ties and ensures the partnership endures. By investing in youth, Turkey is shaping Somalia's next generation of leaders. The Turkey-Somalia partnership stands out in African geopolitics for its unique blend of tangible benefits and deep trust. For Somalia, it's a lifeline for recovery and global reconnection. For Turkey, it's a strategic foothold and a showcase of humanitarian power. Three factors underpin Somali trust: shared religious and cultural heritage, Turkey's visible hands-on approach, and the sense of genuine partnership. Turkish doctors, engineers, and businesses are present on the ground, not just in boardrooms. Unlike other international actors, Turkey's engagement feels real and immediate. Somalis feel treated as equals, not recipients, a powerful sentiment for a nation reclaiming its sovereignty. As Somalia stabilizes, the focus is shifting from aid to investment and trade. Turkish businesses are exploring opportunities in energy, fisheries, and agriculture. Both sides benefit. Somalia gains a reliable ally. Turkey expands its influence in a vital region. This partnership, born in crisis and nurtured by respect, is a model for international cooperation in the 21st century.